Hey Yannick, tell me more about your latest video where every instruction is a prompt.
Absolutely, Max. The video is essentially an exploration into a new framework where machine learning models treat every piece of input as a prompt. This approach simulates a more conversational style of interaction between humans and AI, much like how we're conversing right now. I dive into the nitty-gritty of how prompting changes the architecture and training processes of AI models, highlighting its potential to revolutionize how we integrate AI into everyday tasks. It's a mix of theory and practical examples, aiming to make the information accessible to both experts and enthusiasts. Did you find any particular part intriguing, or is there something you'd like me to elaborate on?
I found the idea of treating inputs as prompts really interesting, Yannick. Could you elaborate on how this might affect user experience with AI, and what are the limitations or challenges of this framework?
Great question, Max. By treating inputs as prompts and embracing this conversational approach, AI systems can become more intuitive and flexible for the user. It means that people can interact with AI in a way that's closer to natural language, reducing the need for specialized commands or syntax. For example, instead of remembering specific commands, users can provide contextually rich prompts that the AI can interpret and act upon. This has the potential to make AI tools more accessible to a wider audience, enhancing user experience dramatically. Imagine being able to instruct your digital assistant in the same way you'd ask a friend for help. That's the kind of seamlessness we're talking about. However, there are limitations and challenges to consider. One key challenge is the requirement for AI models to be incredibly robust and capable of understanding a vast range of human instruction nuances. This demands extensive training data and sophisticated natural language processing abilities. Another issue is the potential for ambiguous prompts, which can lead to incorrect or unintended outcomes from the AI. Security is also a concern. Ensuring that the system can effectively interpret prompts without being exploited through malicious input is essential. Lastly, there's the computational cost to consider. As AI systems become more advanced and handle more complex prompts, they require more processing power, which can be a limiting factor in scaling up this framework. Overall, the shift towards treating every input as a prompt is promising, but like with all advancements in AI, it requires careful consideration and management of the associated challenges.